All right, guys.
No warm up or nothing, man.
Check this out. No warm up, nothing. We just fired up this system. Customer is gonna take a swing into this golf simulator. We'll go over some of the details here shortly. Yeah, see, if that was me, I would have totally missed the ball. That was.
We're gonna need to redo that.
Hey, you hit the ball.
Yeah.
That's a good start.
And that's why I'm not playing on Sundays.
Oh, that looked pretty solid.
That'll do.
Yeah, you're gonna really laugh when you see me take a swing. That was pretty good.
All right,
that's pretty good. All right, sure. Okay. Oh lordy. I haven't even swung a golf club in a while.
So put it right on the red dot.
Oh, the ball. So that's how it tracks it. All right. Let's see. Okay, hold on. I'm gonna putt it. Yeah! Okay. What is up, YouTube? This is Zach, Dreamedia Home Theater. If you guys are not one of our subscribers already, make sure you smash that subscribe button down below and give me a big thumbs up on this video. If you guys would like to purchase anything you see in our videos, make sure you reach out and show your support. We would love the opportunity to earn your business. Today, I'm going to be showing you a really cool golf simulator. You guys know that we not only provide products and ship them all around the country, as well as help you guys install theaters primarily, but we offer all types of audio video installations, including golf simulators. So I'm out here in Allen, Texas, and we are showing off a golf simulator system that our partners, our preferred installers with BTZ Audio Video, did put in for the customer here. I hope that you guys enjoy it. Let's get into it.
All right, so yes, obviously the main intent is for this to be a home gym, which is why you see the fitness equipment everywhere. But a couple years ago, I got the golf bug and wanted to have a place to practice when it was rainy or cold, or I have little kids, so it's hard for me to get out to the course for multiple hours. So decided to invest in the equipment I'd need for a golf simulator. And so that is a SkyTrack, which you can actually find relatively cheap. I think that one is like $1,500 or $1,600, which may sound like a lot, but the ones that you'll see at like the PGA Tour Superstore are like 20 grand for a TrackMan or some of the other high-end ones. So felt like that was sufficient for my needs. There was a good period of time where I was just casting that directly to my television, which was, did the job, but I wanted kind of the full experience and to be able to have buddies over to hit balls together. So I did a ton of research, joined a golf simulator forum on Facebook, and saw that a lot of people were using the Optima 1080 GT something or another.
That one right there.
Yes. So it is pretty versatile and had enough lumens that I knew, I could get away with it in here.
And you got the Apple TV hooked up to it. You want to explain to them how you did that?
Yeah, so there's a lot of different ways you can run this. I primarily do my phone to cast, and so for that reason, I kind of wanted to get rid of cables. So I have an Apple TV plugged in to the Optima, and then I have actually an audio cable that runs to just like a receiver and a
right down here.
There's a sub down there and everything. So what's cool is I can cast the golf simulator or Netflix or really anything up on the screen and then play music, or a lot of times I'll on Sundays have like the actual PGA Tour playing on the television while I'm playing the same course on this simulator. So that's been kind of fun.
Nice.
And trying to think what else.
Fair enough. That's about it.
That's about it, yeah.
All right, guys, that is a wrap on our golf simulator. Big thanks to the customer for having us out here in Allen, Texas, showing off his cool home gym golf simulator. You guys know that obviously we offer all of the industry-leading top manufacturers, but we like to show tons of variety and different price points and different configurations and styles, and give you guys some inspiration as to things that you can do in your own home. And I thought this was very unique. This is out here in the customer's garage, the third car of a 3-car garage. Super cool use of the space, and you can also pump some iron. Alright guys, I hope that you enjoyed this content. If you liked it, go ahead and give me a big thumbs up and make sure to smash that subscribe button down below for more. Till next time, this is Zach with Dreamedia Home Theater. Thank you for watching. Just cruising through the neighborhood. On to the next one.